In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Amplify effect in Audacity. If you've got an audio file that sounds a little too quiet, the Amplify effect in Audacity is a quick, reliable way to boost its loudness without degrading quality. Start by opening your track in Audacity so you can see its waveform on the timeline. Give it a quick listen to identify the exact section that needs more volume, whether that's a quiet intro, a soft-spoken phrase, or the entire take. Next, use the selection tool to target the area you want to adjust. You'll find the selection tool in the main toolbar. It looks like a capital I. Click at the point where you want your amplification to begin, then click and drag to the right to highlight the portion of the track you want to amplify. The highlighted area is the only part that will be affected, so take a second to make sure you've got it just right. If you make a mistake, simply click in an empty space and try again until the selection matches your intention. With your selection ready, head to the menu bar at the top. Open Effect, then choose Volume and Compression and select Amplify. This opens the Amplify dialog, where the magic happens. You'll see a field labeled Amplification, dB. Audacity does some helpful math here. It calculates the maximum possible increase before your audio would clip, which is a type of harsh distortion that occurs when the signal exceeds its limit. Think of clipping like overexposing a photo. Once it's blown out, detail is lost. The value shown is your safe ceiling. To increase the volume, move the slider to the right into positive values. Even small moves can make a noticeable difference, so nudge it gradually and keep an eye on the number in amplification, dB. Staying at or below the suggested maximum helps preserve clarity and prevents distortion. If the waveform already sits near the top and bottom of the track display, you may only be able to push it a little before running into that limit. That's normal, and it's Audacity protecting your audio. A few quick tips as you adjust. Aim for balance rather than sheer loudness. Boosting too much can make background noise more obvious. If you're working on a voice recording, moderate increases often yield the most natural results. And remember, because you highlighted a specific region, only that section will be louder, which is great for evening out inconsistent passages without affecting the rest of the track. That's all there is to it. With a careful selection and a thoughtful move of the Amplify slider to the right, you can raise volume cleanly and confidently in Audacity.